Hello everybody, it's me, Bathan, nellehouse, and...
The war is coming. Crazy Johnny, back again with another video. And this time we are doing...
Fan mail challenge.
Fan mail. Not really a challenge, but you never know.
So,
Alright.
This was sent to us by you and
published by Django and Juliet. We did not just grab a shoebox. We are more sophisticated than that.
It says, help me on the corner, okay.
Alright.
Alright,
is that you? That's your fan mail? Alright, the first page is yours.
Okay.
That was mine.
That's yours. This is for both of us, I think.
Alright, so we'll read that in a bit. Like all those little sheets, it must be...
Who wants to go first?
You can go first.
Dear Bathan nellehouse, your content is terrible. You must re-upload other people's videos or terrible memes that you find. From Nathan.
Re-upload all of Nathan's video. Can I lick it?
Yeah, sure.
Can I lick
I love it.
Oh, spawny.
Alright, your turn, Chad.
Dear Crazy Johnny, I have been a fan for several years now while you posted fabulous content, and at the time I have found your content amusing. So please, after a while I have grown an addiction to you, and I need some of you. I have given you a hair sample in the box. Ah, for God's sakes, don't do that. I've given you a... No, ew, oh dude, you're nasty.
That's pretty good, actually.
Ugh, go away, dandruff boy. No, what are you... No, piss. Go away. But, please, for me giving you... Since I gave you a hair sample, can you give me one of yours? No! Alright, next one's yours. I'll grab out this thing and we'll read it. Oh wait, no, they're like addressed to separate places, like, okay. So like, yeah.
Dear Bathan nellehouse, I absolutely love your content, but I have your family held hostage in an undisclosed location. If you don't send me $50,000 in the next week, they're all going to die and I will film it and post it.
Classic.
By the way, I love your content. Please be my dad. Classic.
Alright, this one's for you. This one is also for you. And the last two ones are for me. Do you want to go first or?
You can read them.
Alright. Hello, Crazy Johnny. My name is Jack Edwards, and I have been a fan for many, many moons. I love your content. It's very bright and funny, and it brings a sparkle to my sad day. I agree that you should get an Oscar. Thanks, Dad. So, I poured my heart into this message, so please don't throw it out or scrunch it up like you did with all the other ones. You know what I'm gonna keep this close to my heart. Your turn. You can go.
Dear Crazy Johnny, my name is Jackson. Oh, this one's for you, I think.
Oh, thanks. Oh, you want me to read it?
Yeah.
My name is Jackson. I am filming you right now.
Well, I'm gonna shut mine.
You do that, I'm gonna like...
What is that?
Oh, it's a warm seat. Alright, you go.
You still filming us?
Probably still is.
If I may. Dear Bathan nellehouse,
Staple.
I absolutely love your content so much. I've been watching you for the past 12 years and cannot stop. I really like your content and you have a very nice, beautiful ass. And I really want to touch you and lick.
Dude, there was a photo!
No pedophiles on our channel, please.
Please don't do this sort of stuff. We do not appreciate it on our fabulous channel. Alright. To Crazy Johnny. Just a photo of my dog with a gun to its head. You're so funny, viewers. I love you. Alright.
Wait, didn't your dog die like a week ago?
Yeah, it just disappeared. Oh dear.
Unfortunate.
Oh well. Alright, which one's for you? Which one's for you? I think is the Shrek for you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. What the hell?
It's real.
What the hell? Hang on. Jesus.
Oh, hold on.
Is that real blood? Jesus Christ.
Let me.
Real? Salty?
Guys, look at this dead Shrek that they sent us in the mail.
Don't send us dead Shreks. Alright, now I get to unbox my fabulous toy. It's a gun! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, no. What? Oh dear. I did not think it was real. Oh no. Oh no. I can hear the cops. No. Okay, it's time to go, my dudes.